see why now I cut the sides off my my ramp, because even people in a wheelchair are a little bit ignorant to the fact that you don't park in the stripe spots because people can't get in. Anyways, I managed to get in, but it was like kind of touch and go. But anyways, just my gripe for the day. Have a nice day. It's a simple thing, but it's just, I mean, the parking lot is full. You can park it on the sidewalk against the building. Nope, you got to park it right in the middle of the stripe lines, even though it's a cart, like a wheelchair cart or whatever. Even though it's a scooter, we got to park it there. It doesn't make sense, And then people complain about, whatever. It's like, just doesn't make sense. You're not supposed to park there. Anything. You're not supposed to park there. So why can't you park where you're supposed to park, on the sidewalk? But yeah. Anyways, that's my little grump for today. I just picked up a few vegetables and stuff and trying to eat properly or whatever. I don't know. It's just, yeah. Anyways, it was hard to go through there and not buy stuff that I shouldn't be eating. But I mean, yeah, it was good. I made it out alive. The only thing negative was finding the scooter beside my van. Yeah. Oh well. Ciao for now. I just got off the video where we're cooking meat tortillas or
Tortellini.
We're cooking those. And we're just putting vegetables in it there. quick meal. Beef tortellini. We'll have that for supper and yeah. Enjoy. Woohoo! Gotta take the garbage down. Here it goes. I think I held too much garbage in there. Okay. Yes, we're going back up. One thing I like about the automatic door is you can press it halfway down the hall and opens up and we're in. There she be. Abandoned the parking lot. This is the inside of our dining room. We don't always be here, but I mean, people come down on play cards, do special events. Yeah, it's quite nice. I think they do business in the back there. There's I think there's people in the back. Yeah. That's the downside. That's the downstairs. We gotta go up. That's it for now. Well, as you can see, it's another gloomy day. It's warmer out though, we'll give it that, but I think the forecast says it's gonna rain most of the day. So I'm not sure. The parking lot across the street at the nurse's use next door. Doesn't really get full, but I mean, I think this is the fullest I've seen it. Anyways, just beyond the last pile of trees is the water. So, oh well. Hope you all have a nice day. Ciao.